Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and a channel update. You know, where have I been, why haven't I been posting, all those sorts of things. Well, let's start with why haven't I been posting. It's winter and I have not wanted to stand out in the cold and film stuff or go away or do anything like that. So that's why I haven't been posting, and I just wanted a break. I've been filming for a long time on this channel and the other one, you know, the one that shall not be named. The one that's now become UK Gold because it just shows repeats, and that's why I haven't been posting. So I am getting back to posting and the videos are going to start coming again. And with that, let's start with what's coming in the next lot of videos we're doing. Well, in the next lot of videos there's going to be Heimdall's axle's got to be finished. That's behind the camera at the moment and I'll show you that in a second. That's going to be, you know, fair few videos to finish that, and I've got some extra bits and I'll show you those too. And we've got some other stuff, but we'll get to that in a second. Let's start with Heimdall's axle. The axle pretty much looks like it did the last time you saw it. That's all sitting there. Got all my gauges and stuff on it for resetting the stuff. Just double checking all my measurements. So that's pretty much finished except for the diff guard that's got to go on. And down here we've got another X-Engineering anti-roll bar. Now I picked this one up second hand. Cheers Mark. Mark told me where it was, so I went and fetched it. That's going to make all the difference. And like I say, it's a second hand one. I've had it stripped apart and had a look at it and it's like brand new, so that's a bonus. We've got to make some little bits for that as well. So what else is coming up? Now in the next few weeks, well actually the next couple of weeks, I've got to go down to Mark's and we're filming a video down in Wales. He's putting a Turner Engineering on the Colonel. So that's going to be a good weekend of mechanicking, maybe drinking. I don't know, it's whatever happens in it. So we're going to get that sorted, so we're going out to do that, so that's one video. We've got trips planned for probably every month of the year. Now that's going to be good. We're going to, even if they're just weekend trips, we're going to try to get out, do a trip, you know, stretch the legs on the trucks, both of them. So that's what's planned for that. Oh, we've got a big trip planned for the end of the year as well. You're going to have to stay tuned for that one. That's going to be good. And there's other things happening, but I can't tell you about those yet. So that's what's happening in here. Let's just go and have a look outside. This is what's happening outside. This is not my car, this is a customer's car. Now, we've got to put a rear cross member on it because this one is absolutely badgered. And we're doing a front outrigger. So there's a couple of videos for us. That's going to be good content, that is, guys. But this is absolutely rotten. It's a TD5 as well. It's surprisingly bad, the rear cross member. The rest of the chassis is pretty good except for the outrigger on that side. So that's going to be, you know, more content for us. Good bit of filming there. So yeah, customers' cars. So there you have it, guys. The update for the channel. Loads of good content coming for you. And loads of new projects for me. And it's absolutely freezing in here this morning. It's about 7:30 now, by the way. Oh no, absolutely dithering. Now I do apologise for the break that I've had in filming the videos, but we are back now. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe and stay tuned for all the new stuff coming. I'll see you on the next one.